Hey there, handy helpers. It's me, Andy, and welcome back to my workshop where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. Today, I have a very special friend to introduce you to. Say hello to RoboBuddy. RoboBuddy does some really cool things around the workshop to help us out. Hey, I wonder if he can talk. Hello, RoboBuddy. What is your favorite color?
RoboBuddy's favorite color is blue.
Wow, you can talk? Well, that's pretty cool. Say, RoboBuddy, do you know what sound a hammer makes?
Andy's hammer makes a tap, tap, tap.
Wow, that's right. Handy helpers, it looks like RoboBuddy's ready to join us on our warm-up. Handy helpers, if you're ready to do the Andy's Workshop warm-up with RoboBuddy, press that thumbs up button. Okay, first, let's clap our hands. Clap, clap, clap. Now, let's turn our heads side to side. Turn, turn, turn. And finally, let's spin around in a circle. Spin, spin, spin.
Hey, Andy. Did I miss the warm-up?
Hi, Lily. Yeah, RoboBuddy just had a little accident.
Oh.
Let's try that again, RoboBuddy. Let's clap our hands. Turn our heads. And spin around in a circle.
Oh, dear. Looks like he needs a repair. His leg is all wobbly.
You're right, Lily. Looks like RoboBuddy needs an emergency repair. Handy helpers, are you ready to use our tools to fix this robot?
Let's do it!
Time to gear up and fix it up. Ready! Let's take a closer look with our magnifying glass. Make sure RoboBuddy's parts are all nice and tight. Head looks good.
Arms look good too.
Now, let's check the legs. Oh, aha! I see the problem. Look, right here. The screw must have fallen out of his leg. That's why he keeps falling over when he tries to spin.
Handy helpers, what do we use to turn screws? That's right, a screwdriver.
Exactly. To fix this, we'll need our trusty screwdriver to turn the screw back in nice and tight. All right, RoboBuddy, your knee is fixed. Let's see if you're ready to finish the warm-up.
RoboBuddy, are you fixed?
Yes, RoboBuddy is fixed and ready to warm up.
Fantastic! Let's try that final warm-up move one last time. RoboBuddy, spin around in a circle.
Oh no! RoboBuddy was able to spin around, but then he just stopped.
You there, RoboBuddy? Can you hear me?
I have an idea. Andy, when was the last time you changed RoboBuddy's batteries?
His batteries. I totally forgot. You know what, Lily? I was so focused on fixing his knee, I forgot to check his batteries.
That's okay. I have 2 batteries right here. Let's replace RoboBuddy's batteries and see if that works.
All right, handy helpers. Now that he has new batteries, let's see if he works.
Beep, boop. RoboBuddy is charged and ready to move.
Amazing! RoboBuddy is fixed! He works perfectly now.
Thanks, Lily, for figuring out the battery problem. Great job, handy helpers. We all learned a very important lesson today. Sometimes there can be more than one thing wrong with a toy. Well, we fixed the missing screws, but the robot also needed new batteries. So remember to check everything thoroughly. Great job, everyone! Let's give a big high five. And remember, at Andy's workshop, we fix it,
Build it
and learn it together. See you next time.